The Refuel Action Pack battery is a fantastic accessory of GoPro Hero Black cameras, offering an impressive extended battery life of up to 9 hours, ensuring you can capture all your adventures without interruption. Designed for the outdoors, this battery pack is waterproof, dustproof, and can withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for any weather condition you might encounter. Its pass-through power technology is a game changer, allowing you to record continuously while charging, thus eliminating the worry of battery drain during critical moments. With its easy installation and compatibility with GoPro accessories, the Refuel Action Pack battery is user-friendly and perfect for those who need a quick and reliable power solution. Built for adventure, it recharges swiftly and is robust enough to endure rigorous activities like skiing, diving, and time-lapse photography. While the USB-C port is inaccessible when using this battery pack, the option for Bluetooth mic pairing with newer GoPro models offers a convenient alternative for audio needs.